A descending hot air balloon moves downward at a steady rate. The altitude, in feet, of the hot air balloon x minutes after it begins its descent can be modeled by the given expression, negative 375x plus 1,500. What does the negative 375 in the expression represent in this context? All right, so this problem is talking about a hot air balloon that is descending. So if it's descending, that means the hot air balloon is coming down. So it's floating down towards the ground. So if something is descending, to represent that, we would need a negative value. So here's what does the negative 375 in this expression represent? The correct answer, is going to be A, the rate of descent of the hot air balloon. The balloon is descending 375 feet every minute. Now, the 1,500, that represents the altitude of the hot air balloon before it begins descending. So that's how high up the hot air balloon was to start. X is the number of minutes after it begins its descent, and the negative 375 is the rate of descent of the hot air balloon. Again, remember, descend means going down. So if you're going down, your height is getting closer and closer to the ground. So to represent something descending, we need a negative value.